If you are struggling with if statements in Excel, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use them and save tons of time. So first of all, what is an if statement? Pretty much an if statement is a way to tell Excel that if a certain condition is met, I want Excel to return me a certain value, and if that condition on the other end is not met, I want Excel to return me another value. To be more practical, in this case, we have here a list of salaries, and I want to write a condition that says, if the salary is above a certain number, I want Excel to tell me this is a high salary. On the other hand, if the salary is below that value, I want Excel to tell me that it is a low income. So I'm going to start writing the formula. To start writing formulas, you always write the equal sign, and then you write the function that you want to use. In this case, if, you open parentheses, and now you are going to write the logical test. As I told you before, I want to say if the salary right here on this line is greater than $75,000. Now I get to the next part of the formula, which is the part where Excel is going to return me the value in the case that this condition is true. Here we can already see that the condition is not true, so this is not the value that Excel is going to return me, but in case it was true, I want Excel to tell me that it is a high salary. Then you go to the next part of the formula. What if the condition is not true? Which in this case it is not true, so it is going to be the value that Excel is going to return me. If the salary is not above $75,000, that is, it is below, I want Excel to tell me that it is a low salary. By the way, you might be asking, why am I writing the text in between these quotation marks? Pretty much when you want Excel to return you a given value in text, you always have to write these quotation marks. On the other hand, if you wanted Excel to return you a number, you don't have to write these quotation marks. And pretty much the formula is done. You close the parentheses, you hit enter, then you double click on the lower right side of the cell in order to drag it down. And now Excel has pretty much given us the answer of whether we have a high or low salary to almost 1,000 people. So you can see how much time this is going to save us. Now, if you want to add a middle salary category, you can't just rely on two simple conditions. You'll need to add a few extra steps to your formula. To learn how to do this, just check out this video right here, where you'll discover exactly how to do it and take your if formula skills even further. On top of that, this channel is dedicated to bringing you the best Excel productivity tips. So if you want to become a more proficient Excel user and learn time-saving tricks, make sure to subscribe.